127 Via Toscana in Vellore Village, one of Vaughan's most sought-after neighborhoods. This is a 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom home, fully customized, where every feature was chosen with intention. Hand-scraped hickory hardwood floor, 9-foot ceilings, custom arched openings that lead you through the dining room and kitchen, with premium UV protected windows flooding every room with natural light. And then there's the kitchen. Thermador built-in appliances, a leather finished quartzite island and backsplash, a massive walk-in pantry, and an iconic Shaw's farmhouse sink that tells you everything you need to know about how this home was built. The living room anchors the main floor with a custom stone fireplace and wood mantel. The kind of feature that makes a house feel like a home the moment you walk in. Upstairs, 3 full washrooms mean no lineups, no compromises. The primary suite has his and hers custom walk-in closets and a spa caliber ensuite. There's even a laundry chute from the guest bedroom straight to the basement. The kind of detail that sounds small until you use it every day. The finished basement has 9-foot ceilings, oversized windows, custom built-ins, and its own full bathroom. This is a space that the whole family will enjoy, perfect for movie nights. And outside, a professionally landscaped backyard built for entertaining from the first warm day to the last. This is the home that you'll compare every other one to. For more information about this property, contact me from the information below.